Hey, guess what? It's raining again. We picked the best days to film, and today's show is all about horseradish. And let me tell you something about horseradish. Once it's in place, you'll never get rid of it. I put this one in, coming from my old garden 21 years ago. Just stuck it in this bed as a place. I didn't know what I was going to plant in here. Just stuck it as a placeholder. And no matter what I do when I'm trying to dig it out, there's always a little piece of that white root that's left. And this is coming up. Horseradish is the easiest thing to grow. We're going to harvest, clean, and make the hottest horseradish in the world. Well, at least in Ross Township. I'm gonna get as much of the root as I can. All right, I got as much as I could. And you can see it right there, but you hear that little pop. That's what's left behind, right there. All right, let's go down to the vegetable garden and get where it's really supposed to grow. Oh, I can see that root down there right now. Okay, more horseradish in the flower bed. It was a good year. So I took off the leaves, rinsed them off with the hose. We have some more cleaning to do. But man, I'm telling you already, I can smell that horseradish. Normally I do this job outside, but it's raining. We're gonna do it in the greenhouse, and hopefully it won't be like the tear gas episode of about 10 years ago, which I don't want to relive. So as I said, I've already washed them off, but my wife got this cool little thing. It's from Norwix. It's a fruit and veggie cleaning mitt. And it works really good for like carrots and potatoes and stuff, and certainly for horseradish root. I'm going to clean up some. We'll make a bunch of different batches, and I'll show you the trick to making it really hot. If you don't like it so hot, you don't have to do it that way, but I like it spicy. And I got a feeling we're going to be running out of here when we start doing this, because I can already smell it. I like these long, thin ones. They're usually the best. Not so woody. And then all I do is just kind of slice it up into small pieces and then throw it in the food processor with some water, and after that we get to the hot part. So if you were planting horseradish, you'd get something like this. You can plant it right now from the nursery, put it in place, but like I said, put it in a spot where it's going to be forever. All right. We're going to put it in the food processor and make ourselves some horseradish. In the water, we'll see if that's enough. We'll just see if it's creamy enough when it gets going here. It looks pretty good. You can always add more root if it's not. Looking good. Mommy! Oh! It worked! Now what we're going to do to get it really hot, we're just going to let it sit for a little bit. And we've got less than a cup. We're just going to put a teaspoon of vinegar in here after 3-4 minutes. A pinch of salt, and that's it. And that will give it the heat. We'll put it in a jar. We'll be good to go. Let's finish up. I'm going to make some more, though. In fact, that's looking good. I'm telling you, my eyes are burning. I think this worked out pretty well. Now be sure to check me out online. Lots of great gardening information there. You can learn how to join my Seed of the Month Club. Even come to Portugal with me. Until next week, you know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to use this in the kitchen somewhere. Oh, see you then. Wow.